Hi, my name is Prince Armstrong of Armstrong Computers. Lesson 3, an overview of the computer system. This lesson includes the following sections. The parts of a computer system. Looking inside the machine. Software, bringing the machine to life. The parts of a computer system. What is a computer? Hardware. Software. Data. Users. The parts of a computer system. What is a computer? A computer is an electronic device used to process data. A computer can convert data into information that is useful to people. A complete computer system includes 4 distinct parts. Hardware, software, data, user. As you can see, this is example of a user inputting data by the help of software and hardware devices. Hardware. A computer's hardware consists of electronic devices, the parts you can see and touch. The term device refers to any piece of hardware used by the computer, such as a keyboard, monitor, modem, mouse, etc. These are all hardware devices. Speakers, modem, microphone, RAM, CPU, keyboard, mouse, CD-ROM drive, diskette drive, hard drive, printer. Ports, monitor, expansion board. Software, also called programs, consists of organized sets of instructions for controlling the computer. Some programs exist for the computer's use, to help it manage its own tasks and devices. Other programs exist for the user, and enable the computer to perform tasks for you, such as creating documents. Data consists of raw facts, which the computer can manipulate and process into information that is useful to people. Computerized data is digital, meaning that it has been reduced to digits or numbers. The computer stores and reads all data as numbers. Although computers use data in digital form, they convert data into forms that people can understand, such as text, numerals, sounds, and images. 10 different symbols in system, numbers above 9 use more than 1 digit. People are the computer's operators, or users. Some types of computers can operate without much intervention from people, but personal computers are designed specifically for use by people. Looking inside the machine. Types of hardware, the CPU, memory, how memory is measured, input and output devices, storage devices. Types of hardware. A computer's hardware devices are categorized as follows. Processor, memory, input and output devices, storage devices. These are all the hardware devices Safari's looking inside the machine is concerned. The CPU, the procedure that transforms raw data into useful information, is called processing. This function is divided between the computer's processor and memory. The processor is also called the central processing unit, CPU. It manages all devices and performs the actual processing of data. The CPU consists of 1 or more chips attached to the computer's main circuit board, the motherboard. Memory also consists of chips attached to the motherboard. Memory holds data and program instructions as the CPU works with them. This memory is called random access memory, RAM. The CPU can find any piece of data in RAM when it needs it for processing. RAM is volatile, meaning it holds data only when the power is on. When the power is off, RAM's contents are lost. How memory is measured. The smallest usable unit of measure for memory is the byte, the amount of memory required to hold one character, like the letter A or the numeral 2. Computers work with larger chunks of data, measured in multiple bytes, as shown below. Input and output devices. Input devices accept data and instructions from the user or from another computer system. The keyboard and mouse are examples of input devices. Output devices return processed data back to the user or to another computer system. The printer and monitor are examples. Communications devices, such as modems and network interface cards, perform both input and output, allowing computers to share information. Storage devices. Storage devices hold data not currently being used by the CPU. Data is commonly stored on a magnetic or optical disk. Each type uses a special medium for storing data on its surface. A disk drive is a device that reads data from and writes data to a disk. Most new computers feature a floppy disk drive, a hard disk drive, and an optical disk drive. The most common optical storage devices are CD-ROM and DVD-ROM drives. Software, bringing the machine to life. What is software? System software, application software. What is software? Software is a set of electronic instructions that tells the computer how to do certain tasks. A set of instructions is often called a program. When a computer is using a particular program, it is said to be running or executing the program. The two most common types of programs are system software and application software. This is how the machine communicate together with the application software and a system software, real-world tasks. Data, application software, system software, and to a useful output. System software exists primarily for the computer itself, to help the computer perform specific functions. One major type of system software is the operating system, OS. All computers require an operating system. The OS tells the computer how to interact with the user and its own devices. Common operating systems include Windows, the Macintosh OS, OS/2, and Unix. Application software tells the computer how to accomplish tasks the user requires, such as creating a document or editing a graphic image. Some important kinds of application software are word processing programs, spreadsheet software, database management, presentation programs. Graphics programs, networking software, web design tools and browsers, internet applications, communications programs. Utilities, entertainment and education, multimedia authoring. Lesson 3 Review, list the 4 parts of a computer system. Identify 4 types of computer hardware. List 5 units of measure for computer memory and storage. Provide 2 examples of input and output devices. Name and describe 3 types of storage devices. Differentiate the 2 main categories of computer software. List 4 specific types of application software. That is all for Lesson 3.